السلام عليكم ومرحبا بكم اليوم في الدرس الثاني من الوحدة الثالثة من كتاب سبوتلايت الأولى إعدادي. في هذا الدرس اللي بعنوان What time is it غادي نتعرفوا على الأرقام من 10 حتى 100 وكيفاش غنقدروا نهضروا على التوقيت. فبحال ديما جلس مكان هادي الدفتر والسيلو ويلا نبداو. Are you ready? Let's start. Listen. Numbers. Look at the numbers. Listen and read. Then listen and repeat. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now listen and repeat. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Look at the pictures. Listen. 6 o'clock, 12:10, 4:05, 5:50, 10:15, 6:30, 11:13, 9:25, 7 o'clock or 7, 12:20, 2:45. Listen and repeat. 6 o'clock or 6, 12:10, 4:05, 5:50, 10:15, 6:30, 11:13, 9:25, 7 o'clock or 7, 12:20, 2:45. Exercise. D. Listen. Circle the times you hear, then check with a partner. 1. What time is it? It's 4:30. 4:13? No, 4:30. Thanks. 2. When is the break? At 11 o'clock. 3. What time do you go home from school? Around 2:35. 4. What time is it? 8:15. 8:50? No, 8:15. 5. What time is English class? 1:05. Oh, I have to go. 6. What time is it? It's 2:40. Almost time to go home. Thanks. Vocabulary. Times of day. Listen. 1. In the morning. 2. In the afternoon. 3. In the evening. 4. At night. So listen and repeat. In the morning. In the afternoon. in the evening, at night. نتمنى تكونوا استفدتوا وكملتوا لا فيديو حتى الاخر. ما تنساوش ديروا سبسكرايب، لايك، وتخليو لينا كومونتير.